guys, I'm Glenn Mepel.
And now this is Abby.
I am J. Gatsu.
I'm here to show you on how to install Windows 8.1 and to dual boot it with Windows 10.
So how guys, upon installing the Windows 8, we must download an installer. This is the good installer, and uh, here's the link of that installer and it's in the description. And before proceeding, we must first download the UNetbootin for our flash drive to be bootable. If you're using a Mac OS, you need to click this download, you need to choose this, and if you're using Linux, you need to choose this. But we're using a Windows, so I need to choose this one. But we already have downloaded this UNetboot, so we'll continue to the bootable folder. And first, we need to empty the flash drive, and we need to format it and click format. The first step must be flat editor so that the unit book and read it. And let's start. Click OK. Nice. Yeah. Okay. We need to go to the folder. So we need to ignore this one, and you just need to click in this image, and in order to read the bootable, you need to choose this ISO and browse the Windows 8.1. So this is and okay. So we will just wait this, and now we're finally extracting our Windows 8.1 to our flash drive. The next step is we're going to install our Windows 8.1 to our formatable laptop using our bootable flash drive. And we're now on the BIOS setup, and we will change the boot directly to our flash drive. And now we will choose our flash drive to be a priority, and we'll save changes. Okay? And we are now in the setup of Windows 8.1, and this is the default, and click next and install now. And if you accept the license term, just click A to accept and then next. And custom is a Windows. And we are now in the partition setup, and we need to find the volume, and that is the Windows 8 volume, and here, and then click to proceed. Okay, then just wait to install the Windows. And now we have already installed the features and the files for Windows 8.1 setup. And here, if you are dual booting an operating system, this feature will appear. So you have to choose either of these two, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. But we are installing the Windows 8.1, so we need to choose this. Yeah. And next, just click customize, and next, and username, I don't need to put password, is It is not necessary. And now, here we are on the Windows 8.1. So we need to go to desktop to ensure that. Go to desktop to see that finally install the Windows 8.1, and this is their features. Okay, thank you guys.